Alright, travel enthusiasts, buckle up because today, I'm taking you on an unforgettable journey through Pakistan. Let's count down the top 10 best tourist spots you absolutely must visit. Kicking off at number 10, we have the stunning. Known as the Switzerland of Pakistan, Swat Valley boasts lush green landscapes, snow-capped mountains, and crystal-clear rivers, perfect for hiking and nature lovers. At number 9, located in the heart of Lahore, these iconic landmarks are drenched in rich Mughal history and architecture. A must-see for history buffs. Sliding in at number 8, we have with its unique rock formations and diverse wildlife, it feels like another planet. Don't miss the Princess of Hope, a natural rock formation that looks like a standing woman. Next, at number 7, nestled in the mountains of Chitral, these valleys are home to the Kalash people, known for their unique culture and festivals. Experience traditional dances and vibrant attire. Coming in at number 6, we have the Hunza Valley. This picturesque town is surrounded by towering peaks and offers breathtaking views, especially from the ancient Baltit Fort, a photographer's paradise. Halfway through at number 5, imagine camping under the stars with the mighty Nanga Parbat as your backdrop. This serene place is perfect for those seeking tranquility and adventure. At number 4, we have one of the largest graveyards in the world. It's an eerie yet fascinating sight with tombs dating back to the 14th century. History and architecture lovers, this one's for you. Rolling in at number 3, it's known as the Roof of the World. Shandur hosts the highest polo ground on the planet. Visit during the Shandur Polo Festival for an unforgettable experience. At number 2, we have also known as the Great Wall of Sindh. This is one of the largest forts in the world. Its massive walls snake over the hills, making it a sight to behold. And finally at number 1, this gem in the Gilgit-Baltistan region is a gateway to some of the world's highest peaks. Visit Shangri-La Resort, also known as Heaven on Earth, and let the mesmerizing beauty take your breath away. So there you have it, the top 10 must-visit tourist spots in Pakistan. From historical landmarks to natural wonders, Pakistan is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.